Hi guys, today we're making a quick and easy, super luscious dessert that everybody's gonna love the minute you bring it out. Because, I mean, who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies, right? So I've got this Toll House log of chocolate chip cookie dough that I've cut into 12 pieces. And I think this one's a little lacking, so I'm gonna steal a little bit from this one. And then we're just gonna push these down until we're kind of making like a base. These have like the best ingredients, kids and adults alike, kids of all ages, as they say. You're gonna love this recipe. And once we've got this last little cookie base going, we've got a box of chewy fudge brownie mix. And we're just gonna follow the directions that are on the back. You know, a couple eggs, some vegetable oil, and some water. And we've made it into a mix. I have it in this little funnel batter bowl, which is so helpful. Then we're gonna try to put a little bit in each one. Hopefully it'll be the same amount in each one, but we'll see. Yes, we can start conservatively, and then we can always add more to the ones that look like they don't have enough. Whoa. Got this cookie dough going. Then we've got the fudge brownie dough going. So it's kind of like a Brookie, which is something I'd never heard about until I came to the States. Brookies aren't really a thing in Japan, but maybe they'll become popular soon. Okay, so we got a couple more left. Got this last one. Maybe this one can overcompensate for the fact that the cookie part was a little lacking. So we're gonna see this one. There we go. That's where that one was supposed to go. Okay, so now that we've got that, you take your spatula and do a little cleanup. We're gonna add one more amazing flavor that everybody loves, and that is cheesecake, right? Chocolate and cheesecake and chocolate chip cookie dough. I mean, come on, and look, brand new tub. I use this for so many recipes, and I've got a little tiny like melon baller. So we're gonna put a little cream cheese on top of each one. It's like the easiest dessert, especially if you keep these kind of like sitting in the pantry, ready to go. Somebody's like, oh my God, you know, the cheer team's coming home. I gotta make something. Do cheerleaders eat brownies? I bet they do, in secret. They need all that extra calories for the energy. So, okay, now we've got that. Take just a little knife. All we're gonna do is just swirl it around. It's got a little cheesecake and a little fudge brownie in every bite. And then these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven. And then the brownie parts are gonna get all cakey, and the cookie parts are gonna get all cookie, and the cheesecake parts will just stay soft and amazing. Got a couple left. Cool. Yeah, I think we need to go back and do these. And then these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Then we'll give them a taste test. Look at these! I just want to eat it right out of there. But let's go ahead and grab one. Get a plate here. Ooh, and look, it's got the cookie part, brownie part, and it's got some cheesecake on it. I'm going to be topping this with a little whipped topping. Take a shake. Does that look cute?
So cute.
Oh my God, adorable. So let me go ahead and cut this in half so you see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh. Look at that.
perfect.
Right? Okay, give this a bite. That's so much sugar. It's so good. It's
Yes.
warm, chocolatey, cheesecakey.
Perfect.
You have to make this. It's absolutely perfect.